Welcome to The American Dream, a show that started right here in San Diego, America's finest city, that now spans positive media all across the country, real stories in real neighborhoods. Hi, I'm your host, Craig Sewing, and here's The American Dream.
Hi, welcome to American Dream TV, Selling DC. I'm your host, Tracy Williams Barnett, and today we are in the heart of Georgetown's design district, Cady's Alley. What was once a neglected alley is now a stylish corridor, complete with more than 20 boutiques, showrooms, galleries, and stores. This is Washingtonian's design district, and today we're going to look at a couple of hot spots, take a sneak peek. Let's go. Our first stop is an amazing furnishing showroom, BoConcept. So Tim, thank you so much for inviting us into your beautiful showroom today. Tell me a little bit about the history of BoConcept and coming to be in Cady's Alley and how it's grown over the years.
All right, so first of all, thank you for having me. BoConcept first as a brand, we're a Danish company. We started in 1952 manufacturing furniture for other brands, and they've opened the first store, BoConcept, in Paris. And then in 2001, BoConcept opens here in this location in Georgetown. We definitely have our roots into Danish design. There's very few ornaments. I mean, it's very pure. And this is what Danish design is about. It's about timeless, it's about functionality also. But we are also a brand with 320 stores all around the world.
So everything is very custom.
Absolutely. We are at the opposite of one size fits all. And we want our furniture to adapt to each client instead of the client adapting to our furniture.
So Tim, I noticed along the wall you have beautiful fabrics, including leather. So I'd love to take a look.
Let's go see it.
Okay.
So this is where we're going to customize our furniture. And we have 120 fabrics and leathers. So all our furniture can be done in any of those.
So if someone chose a particular fabric, how would you go about figuring out if it's a good match for like that sofa over there?
So what we're going to do is that we're actually going to take it on the sofa. So let me show you. We're going to show the sample on the sofa like
nice.
This. Yeah. And they can also sit on it and feel it, make sure that this is the feeling that they want to have, the color that they want to have. And this sofa right now, it's a 3-seater, but it can be a 2-seater.
Okay.
It can be a sectional.
So I can create any type of sofa I'd like.
Exactly. The color that you want, the material that you want. The sofa will really adapt itself to each client.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for allowing us to come into your showroom. It's absolutely beautiful. It's been such a pleasure. Thanks again, Tim.
Thank you for having me on your show.
So Alan, thank you so much for inviting us into your fabulous gallery. It's truly amazing, and I'd love to learn a little bit more. How long have you been here?
We moved here in 2007, and before we moved here, we were at 20th and Pennsylvania Avenue since 1984. And we are a gallery that represents international artist jewelers. This location is fantastic for me. People come to the alley because it's not typically Washington.
Your pieces are so unique. I notice a lot of materials such as metal and plastic and stone.
The materials are very broad range. I personally am very interested in non-precious materials. But I have to do a broad range appeal because the world of art jewelry is broad. Like some of the artists here are studio artists, like Heather Guidera, whose work is on the table. She's doing small production. Then there are people here who do less design and more art-based. So there's different approaches within this gallery. The necklace I'm wearing is by Karen Seufert. She's German, she lives in Berlin. If you look closely, you can see these are all little PVC pellets.
Wow.
They're sewn in a sheath around a form. She's doing very intricate work with plastic. But I like the term artist's jewelry.
Okay.
They're not commercial. They're not doing huge production.
They're not mainstream. You're not going to find
not
them
mainstream,
in a lot
yeah,
of different
yeah.
stores. These are very unique,
So,
one-of-a-kind pieces.
Yes, and they each have a vision and a viewpoint, and you see that in the work.
Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning about BoConcept and Jewelers Werk here in the heart of Cady's Alley in Georgetown. I don't know about you, but all this shopping has made me hungry. I think I'm gonna go get a bite to eat right here at this cafe. I'm your host, Tracy Williams Barnett, and you're watching The American Dream.